In this video, we'll talk about a mobile game currently in open beta, Potion Punch 2, coming up. Hey guys, this is Mark and welcome to my YouTube channel. For you guys who aren't yet familiar with Potion Punch, it's a time management game where the player runs a potion shop, mixing and serving potions to customers. Potion Punch is already fun. Now it became more enjoyable. And before we dive into some gameplay footage, let's talk about the awesome people who made this unique and fun game, Monstronauts. It is an indie game studio based in the Philippines which currently has around 15 to 20 people. Their first game was Potion Punch 1 and it was immediately a success. Can you imagine that? It's not often for studios to get good results from their first title. So kudos to Monstronauts. Now let's move on and play some Potion Punch 2.
Hi. Yeah.
What's up?
Hey. Oh.
Hey. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Wow! Though the first Potion Punch is already fun, Monstronauts really made the bar higher. The mechanics is more intuitive, the animations are more fun to watch, the sound effects are great. Overall, it's a well thought of quality mobile game that will keep you mixing potions for hours. So what are you waiting for? Download the open beta version from the links in the description below. Okay, now, if you're more interested in developing games but haven't yet decided which game engine to use, check my top 5 2D game engines in 2019. And finally, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.